Aloha everyone! Today we are at the lavender farm in Maui. It's raining today, so we're just gonna go to the store and see what is in there. Let's go! And today we are in Maui. We are at the lavender farm in upcountry. We just ordered the lavender scone, lavender lemonade, and then we ordered the organic hot tea. It's supposed to be delicious. Let's try this. The hot tea come with the honey. Smells so good though. Lavender smell. Smell good, right? How is it, mommy?
Good.
Smells really good like lavender, right?
Yes.
The view is so nice up here, even it's a rainy day. Gonna try this one. It's so refreshing. Lavender smell really good too. So good. Let's try that scone. This is the lavender scone. Smell pretty good. Let's try. With the jams. The scone is so soft. It's very buttery. And I think this is the guava jam. It's really good too. The combination is just right. 2 thumbs ups. So good. It's pretty cool. Okay.
Red shoes?
White.